Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sapna here. Today's video is about how to make resin pendants, keychains and earrings. And also I'll be showing how to remove the pieces from skinny or narrow molds. Please watch the video till the end. Depending on the brand, mix the resin and hardener in the ratio mentioned. Pour the resin in a small cup and then add some gold leaf and mix well. For the first method, take any waste shower curtain sheet and then spread the colored resin. Once it's completely dry, you can cut them into thin strips and then use them in your resin projects. Pour some clear resin into the skinny or narrow molds and then add some thin resin strips. Now add the resin mixed with gold leaf and finally add a drop of green alcohol ink. Next, moving on to the second method, I have taken a skinny round mold. I have added 2 drops of yellow alcohol ink to the resin and mixed well. Finish the look with resin mixed with gold leaf. You can create the pieces as you like. Next, moving on to the third method, I have some fruit accessories. These are tiny fruit accessories that are available. Add some fruit accessories into the skinny molds and then pour the resin mixed with gold foil and finish the look. To remove the pieces from skinny molds, take any oil and pour the oil through the open ends, and then rub the mold in between your palms and keep it for about a minute, and then just pull it off. It comes off easily. Keep the piece vertical and then using manual driller drill the hole. Attach the eye screws using a strong bond, or you can dip the eye screws in resin and then attach it. Once you attach the eye screws, you can convert it into a pendant, keychains or earrings. If you like my videos, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe. Please click on the subscribe button and then hit on this bell icon so that whenever I post any videos, you'll be notified with a message.